You have the Blu, this is the View Speed 5G, and here's a super simple trick to help your phone run faster. Check this out. All right, let me show you how your phone runs right now. We'll open any app. So just bring up the dialer, and do you see how it takes a second to open? Now close the dialer, and you can definitely see how that slows down. Now let's go to like the camera. Camera opens up like this, and let's close the camera. Camera closes down. Let me show you the easy trick. All right, jump into settings, touch settings. We're going to go somewhere called accessibility. So right about here, accessibility. Inside accessibility, there is this one right here, text and display. Touch that, and we are going to remove animations. Make sure you see that. Remove animations. Bloop. Just like that. All right, now keep in mind that if you don't like how your phone runs after you make these changes, that just jump right back in here and toggle it back off like that. We're going to show you what it looks like now. Now, all I want you to do is now exit out of this screen. Exit, exit, exit. Do you see how it just blinks now instead of doing that scroll down thing? So let's bring up the dialer again. Dialer, it blinks on out of the dialer, and now it just blinks off. Camera, a little bit of a camera. Let's get out of the camera. It just blinks off. Try that and see if your Blu View Speed feels like it's running even faster. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and watch this video next.